Okay then, so what we're doing now with the tree, we've managed to fell it. All right, and now what we're going to do is process it into some seating. Okay, and the seating is important for us when we make our fire squares for forest school activities. The fire square always in the middle. We have a fire surround made out of wood usually and pegged in. All right, and this is usually if it's a permanent fire pit or 1 metre square. And then our seating is stepped back 2 metres from the side of the fire square. Okay, so what we're doing is, you can see in front of you this Scots pine we've got here. I'm going to cut this into 2 chainsaw lengths. Okay, it needs to be 2 chainsaw lengths because this is the distance that I've got in the back of my car, but also it's going to make it easier for us to transport and place in at the other end of the school which we're going to. All right, so that's it. You don't have to use a chainsaw for this. You could use a bow saw for this. It will just take a little bit longer. Okay, so now we've got our resources to use to make our benches. All right, we've got a stump here which is nice and flat, and we've got a nice shaped, nice shaped sort of seat to sit on. Now, this is dead wood, okay, and this is semi-dead, as in we've cut it fairly recently. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a notch out of here, and then I'm going to cut a down cut on there, and then we're going to use a wedge to split the top off there, so we'll have this kind of affair, and then what will happen is that will fit into that. That's the plan. Let's see how we get on. Okay then, as you can see, we've finished. What started off, what we were going to do was put notches on both sides. As we've looked at it, what we've taken is we've taken a notch out of the stump, okay, and then rather than take this bit off the end, what we've done is we've just cut the notch out there and we've just placed the log inside. If you look on this side, you'll see what we've done is we've cut the notch out of here and then literally just sort of drop the log in. Okay, and this will make it a lot easier for when we come to place these seating in around the school, so that we can adjust them around as necessary. Okay, and they're not such a permanent fixture, but they are fairly solid, so when we're coming to come and sit on these, then we're going to have no dramas at all. Okay, thanks for watching.